Have you ever wondered why some students graduate with thousands of dollars in savings, while others leave college buried in debt?
Come on.
The difference usually isn't intelligence or luck. It's the small financial decisions they make every single day. If your goal is to earn your first $10,000 as a student, you're in the right place. The truth is, you don't need to come from a wealthy family, win the lottery, or start a $1 million company. You simply need the right mindset, the right skills, and the discipline to stay consistent. Most students believe they have to wait until after graduation to build real wealth. That's one of the biggest financial mistakes you can make. College isn't just a place to earn a degree. It's the perfect time to build habits that can completely change your financial future. Every hour you invest in learning valuable skills today can continue paying you for years to come. The first step is changing the way you think about money. Instead of asking, "How can I make money today?" start asking, "What skill can I learn that people will happily pay for?" This one question can completely shift your future. Money follows value. The more value you create, the more opportunities you'll attract. Take a look at the digital world around you. Businesses constantly need video editors, graphic designers, social media managers, writers, virtual assistants, web developers, and people who understand AI tools. These are skills you can begin learning from your bedroom using free or affordable online resources. You don't need years of experience before getting started. You simply need the willingness to practice a little every day. Many successful freelancers didn't begin as experts. They started as beginners who refused to quit. Every project they completed improved their confidence and their ability. Remember, progress is always more important than perfection. The goal isn't to know everything before you begin. The goal is to begin and improve along the way. There's another habit that quietly steals opportunities from thousands of students every day: wasting time. Hours disappear scrolling through social media without creating anything valuable. Imagine if you replaced just 1 hour of endless scrolling with 1 hour of learning a profitable skill. After a few months, the difference could completely change your income. Once you've chosen a skill, commit to practicing consistently. Build small projects. Create a simple portfolio. Learn from your mistakes. Every piece of work you finish becomes proof that you're improving. Confidence doesn't come first. Confidence grows through action. When you feel ready, start looking for your first client. Don't wait until you think you're perfect. Businesses appreciate people who are reliable, eager to learn, and willing to solve real problems. Your first opportunity may not pay a lot, but it will teach you lessons that no classroom ever could. As you complete projects, your experience grows. Clients begin trusting your work. Positive results lead to recommendations, and recommendations often become even better opportunities. That's how momentum starts. One small success creates another. Receiving your first payment feels amazing, but here's where many people make a costly mistake. They immediately spend everything they earn. Instead, treat your first income like the beginning of your financial journey, not the finish line. Celebrate your achievement, but make saving part of the celebration. Start building the habit of paying yourself first. Before buying something you want, set aside part of every payment for your future. Even small amounts matter because habits grow stronger every time you repeat them. Financial freedom isn't built by one huge decision. It's built through hundreds of smart decisions made consistently. As your income slowly increases, resist the temptation to increase your spending at the same speed. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you need to spend more. The students who quietly build wealth often live below their means while investing in themselves. They understand that every dollar saved today creates more opportunities tomorrow. Remember, your goal isn't just to earn $10,000. Your goal is to become the kind of person who knows how to earn it again and again. That's a skill that can stay with you for life. Now that you've started earning, it's time to make your money work for you instead of letting it disappear. Many students earn extra income, but still struggle financially because they don't have a plan. A simple plan can make a huge difference. One of the smartest habits you can build is creating a basic budget. It doesn't have to be complicated. Every dollar should have a purpose. Some money covers your daily needs, some goes into savings, and another portion is invested in your future. When you tell your money where to go, you're in control instead of wondering where it went. Another important step is building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Your laptop could stop working, your phone might need repairs, or an unexpected expense could appear at any time. Having money set aside for emergencies protects you from stress and helps you avoid unnecessary debt. After you've built a small financial safety net, start learning about investing. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about giving your money time to grow. The earlier you begin, the more time you give your investments to benefit from long-term growth. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is chasing quick profits. They see stories online about people making huge amounts of money overnight and believe that's normal. In reality, successful investors focus on consistency, patience, and smart decisions instead of excitement. Think of investing like planting a tree. When you plant a seed today, you don't expect a giant tree tomorrow. You water it, protect it, and give it time to grow. Money works in a very similar way. Small investments made consistently can grow into something much bigger over the years. Never stop learning. Read books, watch educational videos, listen to experienced investors, and stay curious. Financial knowledge is one of the few investments that can continue paying you for the rest of your life. Every new lesson helps you make better decisions. As your skills improve, continue delivering quality work to every client. A satisfied client can become a repeat customer, recommend you to others, or open doors to opportunities you never expected. Your reputation is one of your most valuable assets, so always protect it by being reliable, honest, and professional. At the same time, avoid lifestyle inflation. This happens when every increase in income is followed by even bigger spending. Instead of buying something expensive just because you received a payment, ask yourself one question. Will this purchase help me build a better future? If the answer is no, think twice before spending. Successful people understand the difference between needs and wants. They enjoy life, but they also know when to delay gratification. Choosing to save or invest today can give you far greater freedom tomorrow. Another powerful habit is tracking your progress. Every time you save money, complete a project, learn a new skill, or reach a financial milestone, take a moment to recognize your improvement. Small wins build confidence, and confidence keeps you moving forward. Remember that financial success isn't a competition with other people. Someone will always earn more than you, and someone will always have more experience. The only comparison that matters is whether you're making better decisions than you were yesterday. Stay focused on your own journey. Keep improving your skills. Keep delivering value. Keep saving consistently. Keep investing wisely. These simple habits may not seem exciting every single day, but over time they create extraordinary results. Every successful financial journey is built one decision at a time. The choices you make today can shape the opportunities you have 5, 10, or even 20 years from now. That's why consistency will always be more powerful than chasing shortcuts. You're no longer just working for money. You're building habits, developing valuable skills, creating opportunities, and laying the foundation for long-term financial freedom. That's something no one can take away from you. It starts with learning, continues through consistent action and grows stronger with patience and discipline. The habits you've seen in this video are simple, but they're incredibly powerful when practiced consistently. Spend less than you earn. Save before you spend. Invest for the long term. Continue improving your skills. Build strong relationships with clients. Never stop learning. These principles may not make you rich overnight, but they can help you build lasting financial security. Imagine where you could be 1 year from today if you started now. You could have valuable freelance experience, a growing emergency fund, a consistent investment habit, and skills that continue generating income. More importantly, you'll have confidence because you'll know you built your progress through your own effort. Remember, your first $10,000 isn't the finish line. It's proof that you've developed the mindset and habits needed to keep growing. Once you know how to earn, save, and invest wisely, you can continue building toward even bigger financial goals throughout your life. Don't wait for the perfect time to begin. The best time to start learning, earning, saving, and investing is today. Even one small step can begin a journey that completely changes your future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Finance Ledger, and turn on notifications so you never miss practical finance tips that can help you build real wealth. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. At this point, you're probably realizing that reaching your first $10,000 isn't about one lucky break. It's the result of making smart choices over and over again. Every skill you learn, every client you help, every dollar you save, and every investment you make moves you one step closer to financial independence. The most successful students don't wait for the perfect opportunity. They create opportunities by taking action. They continue learning even when no one is watching. They improve their skills after classes, on weekends, and whenever they have free time. Those small efforts may seem invisible today, but they eventually produce results that everyone notices. As your income grows, don't forget the habits that helped you get there. Continue setting aside money for savings. Keep investing consistently. Keep learning new skills that increase your value in the marketplace. The more problems you can solve, the more valuable you become. There will be moments when progress feels slow. You might apply for freelance jobs without getting a response. You might make mistakes while learning a new skill. You might even question whether your effort is worth it. That's completely normal. Every successful person has experienced setbacks. What separates successful people from everyone else is that they keep moving forward. Think about where you started. At the beginning, making money probably felt confusing or even impossible. Now you understand that building wealth is a process.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button.